This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course, and I'm on the lesson The Farmer. Make me remove all these piles of dirt. Okay. Try to use as few blocks as possible. Hint. Try using a while loop, or a while block, to repeat. Okay, so they want us to use this. Ooh, and we can only use 8 blocks. So as long as there's path ahead, while there's path ahead, I'm gonna, I need to move forward, but I don't just need to move forward. I want to move forward and, I want to remove. So remove the dirt. Let's see where this gets us. I think I'm going to stop here because there's no path ahead. Let's see. Yup. And so I stop right there at that edge. So what can I do? Well, if I put like a turn left in here, then I'm going to turn left. I'm going to move forward, remove one pile, and try to turn left. That's not going to work. Now I turn left. Uh-oh. And I have nowhere to go. There's no more path, so my loop stops. If I put it below, though, if I put it down here, after there's no path ahead, when the while loop stops because I get to this corner, I should then turn left. Here, let's just test. And I remove one. Up, nope, no path. But then I turn because my loop's over. So I don't want to move forward just once, though. We can actually use another while loop and put the same stuff in it, right? Because I want to move forward and I want to remove dirt and I want to stop at the end. So once there's no path, I'll be done, but all the dirt should be gone. Let's give this a shot. And notice I have 8 out of 8 blocks full. So first loop's running again and again and again. Up, no path. Oh, then I turned left, and then we started our second loop again and again. No path, and I'll stop, but I completed it. Awesome. Onward!